Hi students, good morning to everyone. Our running chapter is subtraction of numbers. Subtraction of numbers. Dear children, all of you open math textbook, page number 75. Dear children, all of you open math textbook, page number 75. Now question number 5. Question number 5. I am reading question. Dear children, listen carefully. Look at the subtraction done by Madhavi. In this question, 5 questions are there. That is A, B, C, D, E. These problems were done by Madhavi. If there are mistakes, write the correct number in the bracket. Write the correct number in the bracket. We want correct answer. That correct answer will write in bracket. Fifth one, question A. 54 minus 38. 54 minus 38. Answer from Madhavi, it is 24. Now, it is correct? No problem. If the answer is wrong, that is 24, we write the correct answer in this bracket. Okay, children? See, now I will explain this problem. 54 minus 38. 54 minus 38, it means 38 subtract from 54. 38 subtract from 54. Here, which is the biggest number? Biggest number is 54. Yes, 38 is smallest number. In subtraction, we take small number from bigger number. Now 54 is bigger number, it is top. 38 small number, it is down. Then subtraction is possible. Before going to subtraction, now first we write place values 1 and 10. Now subtraction on 1. Subtraction on 1. 4 minus 8. 4 minus 8. We cannot take bigger number from small number. We cannot take bigger number from smaller number. In this time we need borrow. We take borrow from beside number of 4. Beside number is 4. From 4 we take borrow. Borrow means 110 is equal to 10-1. Borrow 110 is equal to 10-1. Here 10-1 and more 4-1. 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4. 14. Now this is 14. From 5 tens, we taken 110 as borrow. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. 4. It is 4. Now subtraction on 1. Now subtraction on 10. Now 14 minus 8. From 14, we subtract 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. From 14, we cut 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After cutting 8 lines from 14, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. This answer 6, write in 1. Now subtraction on 10. Subtraction on 10. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3, 1. This answer 1 write in 10. 54 minus 38 is 16. Yes. 54 minus 38 is 16. This is the correct answer. Yes, Madhavi done mistake. 54 minus 38 is 24. This answer is wrong. Our correct answer is 16. 54 minus 38 is equal 16. Madhavi done mistake. 54 minus 38 is 24. He wrote 24, but our correct answer is 54 minus 38 is 16. This is the solution for A. Now question B. Yes, question B. Page number 75. Question number 5. Question number 5. B1. 68 minus 29. 68 minus 29. Answer from Madhavi, 49. He wrote 49. If it is correct, no problem. If the answer is wrong, we write the correct answer in this bracket. Dear student, I will do the subtraction. 68 minus 29. 29 subtract from 68. Here bigger number is 68, small number is 29. Bigger number is in top, small number is in bottom. Yes, now subtraction. We take small number from bigger number. Yes, here bigger number is in top, small number is in bottom. Now subtraction is possible. First I place values 1 and 10. Now subtraction on 1. Subtraction on 1. The digits from one place are 8 and 9. 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9. From 8 and 9, 9 is bigger number. We cannot take bigger number from smaller number. When smaller number is top, bigger number is in bottom, we cannot take bigger number from small number. In this time we need borrow. We take borrow from beside number. We get 10 1. Yes, borrow means 110 is equal to 10 1. Now already 10 1 and 8 ones are there. 10 plus 8, 18. Now this is 18. From 16, we taken 110 as borrow. 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1, 5. It is 5. Now subtraction on 1. From 18, we subtract 9. From 18, we subtract 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. From 18 lines, we cut 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After cutting 9 lines, from 18 lines, remaining lines are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 18 minus 9, 9. 18 minus 9, 9. This answer 9, write in 1. Now subtraction on 10. Subtraction on 10. The digits from 10th place are 5, 2. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. From 5 we subtract 2. 5 minus 2, 3. 5 minus 2, 3. This answer 3 write in tens place. Answer is 39. 68 minus 29 is equal to 39. Our correct answer is 39. Correct answer write in the bracket 39. The main answer 49 is wrong. This answer done by Madhavi. 49 is wrong. 39 is correct answer. 68 minus 29 is equal to 39. Here Madhavi gave answer 49. 49 is the wrong answer. 39 is the correct answer. 68 minus 29 is equal to 39. Our correct answer is 39. Now question C. Question C. 30 minus 14. Your answer from Madhavi is 24. If it is correct, no problem. If the answer is 24 is wrong, we can write correct answer in that bracket. 30 minus 14 is 24. This 24 answer given by Madhavi. If it is correct answer, no problem. The given answer 24 is wrong. We can write correct answer in the bracket. 30 minus 14. 30 minus 14. At that place value 1, 10. Now subtraction on 1. The digit from 1's place 0 and 4. We cannot take 4 from 0. Here 4 is a bigger number than 0. In subtraction, we take small number from bigger number. But here small number is in top position, bigger number is in bottom position. We cannot take bigger number from small number. In this sense, we need borrow. We take borrow from beside number. Borrow. 110 is equal to 10 1. Yes. Here 10 ones are there and 0 also are there in 1. 10 plus 0, 10. 10 plus 0, 10. Now it is 10. We taken 110 from 310 as borrow. From 310 we subtract 110. 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. This is 2. Now subtraction on 1. 10 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From 10 we subtract 4. It means we cut 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. From 10 lines we cut 4 lines. After cutting 4 lines from 10 lines, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4, 6. This answer 6. Writing 1. Now subtraction on 10. Subtraction on 10. The digit from 10th place 2 and 1. 2 minus 1. From 2 we subtract 1, we get 1. 2 minus 1, 1. This answer 1 right in 10th place. 30 minus 14 is 16. 30 minus 14 is 16. 16 is correct answer. Madhavi gave 30 minus 14 is 24. 24 is wrong answer. 30 minus 14 is equal to 24. 24 is wrong answer. Our correct answer 30 minus 14 is 16. 30 minus 14 is 16. This is our correct answer. 24, the answer from Madhavi, it is wrong answer. 30 minus 14 is equal to 24 is wrong answer. 30 minus 14 is 16 is correct answer. Now this is the question C. Now question number D from 5, page number 75. 76 minus 58. 76 minus 58. Answer is 18. This answer from Madhavi. If it is correct, there is no problem. If the answer is wrong, we write the correct answer in that bracket. 76 minus 58. 76 minus 58. Here 76 is a bigger number, that is in top. 58 is small number, that is in bottom. A subtraction happens from bigger number to small number. We take small number from big number. Yes, here subtraction is possible. Write the place values 1 and 10. Now subtraction on 1. The digits are in one place 6, 8. 6 minus 8. We cannot take 8 from 6. Here 8 is a bigger number than 6. We cannot take bigger number from small number. In this time we use borrow. We take borrow from beside number, that is 7. From 7 we take borrow. Borrow means 110 is equal to 10 1. 10 1, already 6 ones are there. 10 plus 6, 16. Now it is 16. From 7 we taken 110 as borrow. 7 minus 1, 6. 7 minus 1, 6. It is 6. Now subtraction on 1. 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. From 16 we subtract 8. From 16 lines we cut 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We cut 8 lines from 16 lines. After cutting 8 lines from 16 lines, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 16 minus 8, 8. 16 minus 8, 8. This answer 8 write in one place. 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. Now subtraction on 10. The digits are in 10th place. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5. Here we subtract 5 from 6. 6 minus 5, 1. This answer 1 writing in 10th place. 76 minus 58 is 18. 76 minus 58 is 18. Yes. Here Madhavi done 76 minus 58 is 58. 76 minus 58 is 18. 18 is correct answer. In D question, Madhavi gave correct answer. 76 minus 58 is 18. Correct answer also 18. Our correct answer also 18. Yes, Madhavi done correct answer. Madhavi gave correct answer. 76 minus 58 is 18. Now question E. Now question number E. This is the last question from 5-1E. 84 minus 79. 84 minus 79. Answer from Madhavi is 105. It is correct. There is no problem. It is wrong answer. We can write the correct answer in this bracket. 84 minus 79. 84 minus 79. Your biggest number is 84. That is in top. 79 is small number. That is in bottom. Subtraction happens from bigger number to small number. We take small number from big number. Bigger number is in top position. Small number is in bottom. Now subtraction is possible. Now write the place values 1 and 10. Now subtraction on 1. The digits are in one's place 4 and 9. 4 minus 9. We cannot take 9 from 4. 9 is a bigger number. 4 is a small number. We cannot take bigger number from small number. In this time we need borrow. We take borrow from beside number of 4. From 8, 1. We take 1. From 8, 10. We take 1, 10. 10. 10, 1. Already 4, 1. 10 plus 4, 14. Now this is 14. From 8, 1. Sorry, from 8, 10. We taken 1, 10 as borrow. 8 minus 1, 7. 8 minus 1, 7. Now subtraction on 1. From 14, we subtract 9. 14 means draw 14 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. From 14 lines, we cut 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After cutting 9 lines, from 14 lines, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9. Answer is 5. This answer 5 we write it in one place. Now subtraction on 10. The digits are in 10th place. 7 minus 7. Subtraction of same number, subtraction of same digit, we get 0. 7 minus 7, 0. 0 right here. Yes. 84 minus 79. Answer is only 0, 5. 0, 5 nothing but only 5. 84 minus 79 is only 5. But here Madhavi gave answer 105. 105. This answer is wrong. 84 minus 79 is 5. Our correct answer is 5. Madhavi gave answer is 105. 84 minus 79. Madhavi answer is 105. This one is wrong. Our correct answer is 5. 84 minus 79 is equal to 5. Our correct answer is 5. Now question is 61. Children, question is 61. Subtract the number in the first column. Subtract the number in the first column. Mark the range. Range means a number is lies in between two numbers in which your answer lies in each case, one example is given. Okay, dear children, now I will explain example. That is question number 6. The range is given 30 to 40. One more range is 40 to 50. Now the third range is 50 to 60. Now final range is 60 to 70. Yes, example. First, 6th question. Now I will explain example. 76 minus 28. 76 minus 28. First, we do subtraction. After subtraction, we get answer. The answer is lies of in between of which two numbers? The answer is lies in between of which two numbers? Here, subtraction is 76 minus 28. 76 minus 28. Here 76 is a bigger number, 28 is a small number. Bigger number is in top, the small number is in bottom. As we do subtraction, subtraction happens from bigger number to small number. We take small number from bigger number. Now write plus L is 1 and 10. Now subtraction on 1. Subtraction on 1. The digits are in one place, 6 and 8. 6 minus 8. Here 8 subtraction from 6. But we cannot take 8 from 6. We cannot take bigger number from small number. Bigger number is in bottom, small number is in top. Yes, we cannot take 8 from small number. In this time we need borrow. We take borrow from beside number of 6. From 7 tens we take 1 10. 10 plus 6, 10 plus 6, 16. Yes, it is 16. From 7 tens we taken 1 10 as borrow. 7 minus 1, 6. 7 minus 1, 6. And it is 6. Now subtraction on 1. 16 minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. From 16 we subtract 8. From 16 lines we cut 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After cutting 8 lines from 16 lines, remaining lines are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 16 minus 8, 8. 16 minus 8, 8. This answer 8 right in 1's place. 8. Now subtraction on 10. The digits are in 10th place. 6 and 2. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. From 6 we subtract 2. 6 minus 2, 4. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 is answer right in 10th place. 6 minus 2, 4. This answer 4 right in 10th place. 76 minus 28 is 48. 76 minus 28 is 48. Now our answer is 48. Our answer 48 lies in between which two numbers? Here see 30 to 40. 30 to 40 means count numbers from 30 to 40. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. No. Next range is 40 to 50. We count numbers from 40 to 50. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Our answer is 48. Lies in between 40 and 50. We put Right symbol. 40 to 50. Our answer 48 lies in between 40 and 50. 76 minus 28 is equal to 48. Our answer 48 lies in between 40 and 50. Put a right symbol. Our correct answer 76 minus 28 is equal to 48. This is the example question from question 6. There are more 4 problems are there. These problems I will explain in our next class. Okay, children. Goodbye to everyone.